Good day, good day, good day. Yeah, we want to talk about momentum. Yeah, as part of grade 12 physics. Uh, as we are beginning our first term in grade 12, the first topic is momentum and impulses. And we are very much familiar with many quantities that we encounter in physics, right? And often we have a sense of what they mean. For example, we can picture a man of 100 kgs, or we can picture a car that travels at a speed of 120 kilometers per hour. But then sometimes it's very difficult for us to picture a car with a momentum of 1,500 kgs per meters per second. It's very, very difficult. So today we want to talk about momentum. Momentum. What is momentum? What is momentum? Right. And the simplest definition of momentum. Momentum is the product of the mass of the object and its velocity. Right. That is what we call momentum. And it can be represented by an equation: P is equals to mass times velocity. That is mv. Right. I'm sure we are together there. Right. So we want to investigate momentum. Right. So let's consider that maybe we have two balls. One ball that is 2 kgs and the other that is 10 kgs. The other one that will be what? 10 kgs. A 10 kg ball. Right. So we are saying it is easier, right, to stop the ball, right, to stop the ball with what? 2 kg than to stop the ball with a mass of what? Of 10 kgs. Right. So we are saying consider two balls. They are actually rolling on a what? On a smooth surface, horizontal surface, like the one that I draw there. Right. And they are moving at the same constant rate. And then we are saying one ball has a larger mass and the other one has got a what? A smaller mass. So which ball is actually easier to stop? So we are saying the ball with the small mass is easier to stop. Right. So when you're answering such questions, you have to consider mass of the balls. So what we are saying is like the ball with less mass is the one that is actually easier to what? To stop. And then the ball with this one with 10 kgs, this ball, is difficult what? To stop. So we are saying the combination of mass and velocity determines the quantity of motion of an object. That combination of mass and velocity. So we are saying like if we want to increase the quantity of motion, if we want to increase the quantity of motion, right, it's either, right, we increase the mass, right, it's either we increase the mass of the what? Of the object, or the velocity of the object, or we can increase both the mass of the object and the velocity of the object. Right. So I said like momentum is the product of mass of the object and its velocity, and it's represented by P is equals to m times v. Right. Whereby P is the what? Is the momentum. P is the momentum. Right. M is the mass. And we know that mass is measured in kgs or kilograms. I'm sure by now everyone in grade 12 is expected to know that. And the velocity is represented by V, velocity. And the velocity is meters per second square. Meters per second. Right. That's how we represent like the velocity. So like what we learned in grade 7, mass is a scalar quantity, right? But then velocity is a vector quantity because it has both direction. Usually when we are dealing with velocity, it has got direction, right? So what we are saying is like velocity is a vector quantity. So the momentum from our equation is also going to be what? A vector quantity. So we are saying momentum is a what? Is a vector quantity. Momentum is a vector quantity, right? So the unit for momentum will be kgs per meters per second, right? That's how you write this, the SI symbol for momentum, right? So for all those who need help in physics, you can follow us on our YouTube channel, or you can call us on 078 196 5544, or you can email us at edwardteach@gmail.com. Thank you so much.